Today we're going to go over a brief tutorial on how to insert images and how to insert videos into your Google Slides. So we're going to start off with images here first. You're going to find the slide that you're wanting to place your image. So once you have that slide, you're going to go up here to the top and find the insert button. I'm going to click there. As you can see, there are a bunch of options you have here to insert into your Google Slides. Today we're doing images. Right now we're doing images. So we're going to click on the images button. We're going to scroll over. I have images already saved onto my computer desktop I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So I'm going to click upload from computer. This link will take me to my desktop, and I will select the image I have picked for this tutorial. Hey, this nice purple flower. You can adjust the size of your images right here. Just to kind of go over that one more time, we can go up here to insert. We're going to insert image from computer. I have a second image that I had selected for today's tutorial. And here we go. I have another flower image here. You can adjust the sizes. So you also have different formatting options for the images that you're submitting into your slides. And those options can be found over here on the sidebar. If you can't find it, like when I just clicked there, it wasn't populated. It should be found right here on your taskbar, format options. And you can kind of just scroll through these and see if there's anything you want to format. Just make sure the image that you're working on is selected. You can change the brightness, contrast, just all kinds of different things that you can do here if you need to or want to. Next, we're going to go into the second portion of this tutorial. We're going to select the slide that we would like to have a video inserted into. Once we are on that slide, we're going to go up here, back up to the top where it says insert. Scroll down, there's a video button. Once you select that button, it'll come up with this page. You can either select from YouTube or your Google Drive. I am selecting from YouTube. I already have a video in mind that I want to place here. Some baby animals. There we go. So we're going to scroll through here, find the video you're wanting to place into your slide, select and insert. You can adjust your video size or placement just by selecting and dragging. We can play our video. We also have different options over here where we can just play automatically as the slide shows, play manually, play by click. We can also adjust the time that the video starts at and also when it finishes. So you don't actually have to show the entire 27-minute video in the slide if that's not what you are wanting to do. Also, we have some different options down here for size and rotation, position, drop shadow. You can just play around with those options. But that is all that I have for you today for this brief tutorial. Thank you so much.